Hi, this is Laura Vergara, and I'm with ABC Bartending Schools here in Miami, Florida. In this clip, we're going to show you how to make a Tamarindo Margarita. Well, what is a margarita? Basically, a Mexican drink made with tequila, triple sec, which is an orange liqueur, and sour mix, which is a concentrated lemon lime, gives you a little frost over the top. We're going to make this one frozen, okay? We're going to start off with putting your blender, getting some ice, about 3/4 of the way. Okay, we're going to add some Patron tequila, which is one of the most popular tequilas right now, and one of my favorites to top that off. Pour about 4 seconds in there. Then we're going to switch off to Grand Marnier. Grand Marnier is a cognac-based orange liqueur, which is a high-end, a very strong hint of orange, and it's a lot stronger than the regular triple sec. So this is a very strong drink. You're going to do about 2 seconds worth, okay? You're gonna add some sour mix, and then you're gonna have some tamarindo pulp, which you can find at any grocery store, okay? You wanna add a good flavor in there, good squirt. Then we're gonna go ahead and blend this, okay? As we're blending this, I'm gonna rim the glass. You're gonna rim your glass with chili pepper. We're gonna add a little heat to this drink, okay? So make sure you don't go ahead and like stick your lip on there and then find it too hot for your flavor. We're gonna go ahead and pour this out, and you can add a little bit of the chili pepper over the top, or if you find an actual tamarindo fruit, you can go ahead and throw a little piece of tamarindo in there and make it a nice tamarindo margarita. Thank you for watching. This is Loudon.